All right, let's find the mean, median, and mode of some pair of numbers, a set of numbers. So this first one, we have 31, 14, 3, 31, and 11, and it says to find the mean. How do we find the mean? Well, we add them up, and then we divide by however many we added. So there's 31 plus 14 plus 3 plus 31 plus 11. A total of 90. Now, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5, so I'm going to divide by 5. And I get an answer of 18. Now, does 18 seem it's that kind of that fair share point, that middle point between all those numbers? Yeah, there's a bunch of numbers that are bigger than that and a bunch of numbers that are less than that. So I think that's a great mean or a great average. The next one says find the mode, and the mode is the one that we see the most. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to list them out from least to greatest so that I can see, and it will combine the ones that are the same. So my smallest number is 3, and then I have an 11, a 14, a 31, and another 31. So this shows me that, hey, I've got two numbers right there that are the same. So 31 is mode. Now the next is find the median. And median it's nice that I already have them in order because now it'll be easy for me to find the middle. The median is middle. So I'm going to cross out my 2 outside ones, cross out my 2 inside ones, and I get 14 for my median. Awesome. Let's go on to the next set of numbers. Find the mean. This time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So 95 plus 18 plus 51 plus 1 plus 22 plus 5 equals 192. And this time I'm going to divide by that 6 since there are 6 of them. And I get 32 for my mean. Now it says find the median. And for the median, it's the middle. So let's put these in order from least to greatest. I'll go horizontally this time. 1, 5, 18, 22, 55. Oops. Uh-oh. 55. Should be 51. Clear, clear, clear. Erase at least. What am I missing? I've got 5. Oh, should that be 51? Ah. This is why we cross them out, huh? 51. Oh, I'm like way big. And 95. I'm way small. Okay, is that the 6 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to cross them off. So 95 and 1 is gone. 51 and 5 is gone, leaving me with these 2 in the middle. Now, if I have 2 numbers in the middle for the median, I then need to find the middle of that middle. So what's exactly between 18 and 22? I can visualize 20, or I can find the mean of those 2 numbers by adding and dividing by 2. So I added 2 numbers, and that gave me 20 as well. So my answer is 20 is my median. And the mode, remember the mode is the one that you see the most. So if I'm looking at these, now that I have them all in order, there's not one that appears more than the rest. So I can just say none. There is no mode. And those are the answers for the number 1 skills quiz.